LA. Super spontaneous wedding dress shopping in LA. We're going to Loho Bride, and I was emailing Mom. It's 30 minutes. 30-minute appointment. Oh, he said that it was at 4 p.m. So literally, we're gonna drive an hour and a half, get there at 4 p.m., be done within 30 minutes, and then drive back.
They're only giving you 30 minutes? You can only try on, what, 2 dresses or something?
She said I'm only allowed to try on 30. Or 3. 3.
Okay, so yeah. I guess, I mean, you've only been trying on like a few.
I know. And it's really only there for one dress anyways, but yeah, it's fine. We're starting to source vintage watches, so Mom and I filmed a video really quick, but now we're gonna head over to LA. We made it. Hi. Good, how are you?
Good. You're here for a 4 p.m. appointment?
Yes, I am. So we're at Loho Bride. Hi. Hi. This place is so cute. Like, look at how cute. I'm like looking at their marble. You can see where my head is at. They have so many beautiful dresses. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Wow. I love this. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. So Mr. FashionNica thinks I'm gonna wear a pantsuit as my wedding dress.
Girl math that one. Wear that separately. I like it.
Ooh, look at these. This reminds me of Prada. It's sparkly. And even the design too, it's very mod. And the room behind me is a dress that I'm really on.
Yes.
Wait, no.
You don't have battery.
No. No.
Oh, someone just stopped. So we are at Loho Bride. Okay, we are going wedding dress shopping. I'm with my mom. I'm with my auntie Mitch. I'm with my auntie Yona. And then my sister. Are we gonna go wedding dressing? Are we gonna find the dress? Yes! Hopefully! Manifesting.
Cute.
Auntie Mitch says that we're checkerboards.
Getting everything set up and cleaned up, and then we'll get started, okay?
Oh, excited!
Try one on too. We can do this really big one, or we can do like this one. Perfect. Okay, let's do it. Are you excited?
Oh, look at that slit. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! Whoa!
I love a slit.
It's beautiful though. Holy cow.
I like the off the shoulder. That's the style.
Mm-hmm. And it has some structure, which is nice.
This is the Grand Camille by Vivienne Westwood, so it's very classic. Slit. You can't lower that though, don't worry.
I really like her designs because it's like it has an ethereal / vintage style to it.
Oh, I like this one. Yeah.
This is so interesting.
Yeah, that's so. I like that. It's so different.
At first I thought you put your foot in here.
You probably could.
Make it pants.
It's a little harem pant moment.
So does it go like when you undo this? Does it get longer?
Yeah. So like you can kind of you can lengthen this, so that's kind of, so you can kind of tie it up, tie it down, kind of however you want to play with it. It's meant to be more T-length in the front, which is really cute too.
I do like the corset. That's really cool looking.
Yeah,
Me too.
Yeah.
it fits her beautifully too.
This is us getting drunk
You might have
while Manang tries on dresses. Okay. I think I'm gonna pay for my wedding dress right now. This is the one. Okay, I'm gonna call my mom. Mommy.
You did it.
No. Do you want to do it with me? I'm gonna pay for my wedding dress right now. Say hi.
What are you saying hi to?
We're gonna buy my wedding dress right now.
Oh, here we go.
I got another sign. Let me tell you the sign.
Okay. Oh my
Okay.
god. This better be a real one.
No, this is. So, Mom, this what the first one was. Okay, so the first sign was
Your next door neighbor.
yes. Okay, so this sign is basically I was looking at the dress because I just got the email right now, right? But I was finishing something up right now for work. I just posted a photo of a vintage Chanel Diana bag, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this song because this is a really pretty song, and the song is called The Kite. Oh, no, it's called The Kite. It's not even Taylor Swift, okay? And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use this song because this is a really cute song. Okay. And then all of a sudden I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go check out right now. And then I was like, oh wait, let me watch that video that Mom sent me of the TikTok. And so I clicked on the TikTok, and the sound that's playing is The Kite, the one that I just used right now. Mom.
Is it because it's a trending song?
No, it's literally just a song. What are the chances?
Okay. Although I don't know if you remember me saying on Sunday, I was trying not to feel anything for that dress because I'm really so stressed that it's not traditional.
It's okay.
No, yeah,
So
but then when you put it on, I was just like, my darn it! Why does it look so nice on her? It looks so good.
It looks really good. It looks really good on.
It was unexpectedly you looked Vogue.
There was such a slim chance that it was gonna look good on me, but then I put it on and it was the perfect fit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Let's
buy
do
it.
it.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, I'm gonna check out. But we're just gonna
Yes.
secure this dress now. Ready?
Okay.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Oh my god. I bought my wedding dress.
Congratulations.
I literally have been thinking about it for the past few days. It's been in my mind. Last night, Mommy, I had a dream. That someone, because I put it on hold, that someone was trying it on. I had a dream that our sales associate, she was like, oh, she's trying it on, but don't worry, there's a chance you won't get it. And literally, Mom, when I woke up this morning, I'm like, oh, I think I need to secure it.
Oh my gosh. Nick, thank you for not making it as a painful journey.
This was so easy. I don't know why people can't find their wedding dress. This was a breeze.